Want to change the display theme of X? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to fix dark mode on Twitter. First, open X. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Settings and Support at bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Accessibility, Display and Languages. Go to Display. Tap on Display again. Here, tap on Off at the very top. And that is how to fix the dark mode on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.